Hi, my name is Denis. I'm starting a series of ANSYS Mechanical lessons. In this short video, you will learn how to launch ANSYS Mechanical, how to set the number of cores, and how to use some basic interface features. First, run ANSYS Mechanical APDL product launcher. In simulation environment, choose ANSYS and send license to mechanical or structural. If you need more complex models, for example, multiphysics to calculate magnetic fields or LS-Dyna to calculate dynamics, you may choose them here. Next, choose working directory and enter job name. For now, we won't touch customization, so let's head on to High Performance Setup. Here, you can choose number of cores for parallel processing. For my CPU, it's 4 cores. Or even set multiple workstations for distributed computing. Finally, you can save these settings in custom profile. In options, you can choose either to close or to minimize launcher on run. Now, press Run button to start ANSYS. 2 windows were opened. The first one is ANSYS Graphical Environment. In white rectangle, there is a modeling area. Here you can see current frame number, list of active elements like nodes, geometry, boundary conditions, etc., global coordinate system, your ANSYS version, and current date and time. Let's do a couple of things. First, let's change the background from black to white. For this, go to Plot Controls, Style, Colors, Reverse Video. Nice. Now let's go to Plot Controls, Window Options. Here you can set up window settings for your needs. For example, you can remove frame or date and time, or add your job name. The second window is called the Output window. All the commands from graphical window are duplicated here. In addition, here you will see warnings, errors, and detailed solver information. For now, you may notice settings from launcher, the reverse video command, and window settings. Well, now we have finished with basic features. Next time we'll solve a simple problem and learn how to use the APDL file.